Okay, everybody, back again. Let's have a look. I'm going to try to put a potentiometer to calibrate the ESP8266 and display the value on the OLED display. So the OLED is already plugged in, and it's like the previous one on the DHT11, for the temperature measure. And now we're going to put the VCC and the ground. It's already lit up, eh? And then it's going to be the analog A0, analog AO. That's this one. I think that's AO, am I correct? Yeah. And then we're going to run the program. We're going to upload the sketch. Upload the Arduino sketch. Okay, the other fruit also. Okay, the value is 1024 and the voltage is 5 volts because we are plugged into 5 volt here. And if I would have put it on 3.3 volt, that would have displayed the 3.3 volt. Obviously, would have to change the formula for that. So let's have a look at the value. Yeah. So to calibrate, it's a value of 4. So there are 4 points which will need to be deducted in order to have the better calibration. And the voltage will be 0.02, the lowest. It's the lowest of the, and now we're going to put it all the way up. There you are. And you can see the connection as well, and the pot. Okay, guys, I think this was quite easy. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.